बोला thumbs up. I accept it as yes. Good evening, sir. क्या जिंदगी मैटर करती है आप लोगों को? Yes or no? अच्छा, yes. Very good. So that's amazing. Of course, जिंदगी मैटर करती है. मैटर करती है इसीलिए तो हम जी रहे हैं. मैटर करती है इसीलिए हम काम करते हैं. मैटर करती है इसलिए हम खाना खाते हैं. It matters, that is why we feed ourselves. It matters, that is why we find for luxury. Yes or no? Because we want to make our life better, right? But still, there are so many people in this entire world who don't take care of their life, who don't think that their life is important. Sir, is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes. So आज एक ऐसा टॉपिक है. I think it is not only about the webinar today. आज का टॉपिक, it should matter to each and every person on this earth. And I would request, agar if you have your friends or anybody to whom you can share the link and you want them to join, please share the link and inform them to join right now if it is possible. Because as sir is on a mission, Bedkar sir is on a mission to share knowledge throughout the world. I have a personal mission. I think most of you must be knowing about it. I have a mission that I want to make this world free from suicidal tendency as much as possible. भले ही उसका कदम मैं छोटे से छोटे वेबिनार करके कर लूं, but आज I am really grateful to Bedkar sir that he has given me this platform to talk about the most sensitive issue of our country, that is suicidal tendency. So quickly, please जितने लोगों को आप बुला सकते हैं बुला लीजिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को इन चीजों के बारे में पता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, वो आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट देम, आई एम टॉकिंग दैट वो अपने द्वारा दूसरों की मदद कर सकते हैं. आप लोग यहाँ जो हो, आई थिंक आई एम फीलिंग दैट आई एम द मोस्ट लकीस्ट, क्योंकि आई गॉट सो मेनी ऑफ यू जो आज सुन करके आप जाकर दूसरों की मदद कर सकते हैं, दूसरों की जिंदगी को बेहतर बना सकते हैं, उनको जिंदा रहने के लिए प्रोत्साहन दे सकते हैं. सो शैल वी गेट इनटू इट? आर यू ऑल रेडी? Yes? Yes. Please give me a thumbs up, everybody. Up. Are you all ready? Sir, is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Very clear.
Yes.
Sound.
Clear sound. No problem. Okay, fine. Thank you. So today's topic, as it says, that 1 second, let me just share my screen. Life matters, understanding and preventing suicidal tendency. But before I get into the topic, I want to share something with you. You let me know if you can see my slide. Can you see my slide?
Yes, madam. Yes.
Yes. तो ये मैं usually I'm presenting my screen. Sir, you can also tell me if my presentation is visible. Is it visible?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So before we actually talk about today's topic, I want to start with the quote which I usually do during most of my webinars. And he is my guru, APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He says, dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Okay, and thoughts result in action. Further, I think I will just stop here. I would say, which does not let you sleep. So सपना वो नहीं है जो हम सोते हुए देखते हैं, सपना वो है जो हमें सोने नहीं देता. अगर हमारे पास एक ऐसा सपना हो जो हमें सोने नहीं देता, क्या हमारे पास समय रहेगा सुसाइड के बारे में सोचने की? नहीं, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टुडे. Yes, life matters, understanding and preventing suicidal tendency. As you all know, माय नेम इज टीलूड मेरिन. मैं एक लेक्चरर हूँ, एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हूँ. आई एम टीचिंग नीट, दैट इज जो मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देते हैं उन बच्चों को मैं कोच करती हूँ. नर्सिंग बच्चों को मैं कोच करती हूँ. आई एम अ काउंसलर, आई एम अ ट्रेनर, आई एम, as I said, I am a coach. Apart from that, I had been an editor and co-author. I am a Posh and Posco trainer as well, right? And that gives me credibility to stand in front of you and talk to you regarding the most concerning issue of this entire world, that is suicidal tendency. Now, it is not only about youth. Let me talk about the rising concern of suicide. It is not only about youth, okay? बट इफ वी डोंट कंट्रोल दिस कंसर्न, अगर इस कंसर्न, इस सोच को अगर हम, जब बच्चे छोटे रहते हैं, छोटे मतलब जब वो एडल्सेंस में रहते हैं, ओके, बिकॉज दैट इज वेयर उनके बॉडी में चेंजेस आते रहते हैं, उनके माइंड में चेंजेस आते हैं, उनकी सोच बदल जाती है, तो वो हर छोटी छोटी बात को वो बुरा मान जाते हैं. ओके, दे आर नॉट एबल टू विथस्टैंड द फेलियर ऑल्सो. अगर इसी एज में अगर हमने कंट्रोल नहीं किया, तो अडल्ट होने के बाद भी, बड़े होने के बाद भी, दे विल नॉट बी एबल टू टेक प्रॉपर डिसीजन, अपना डिसीजन नहीं ले पाते, और बड़े होने के बाद भी उनके माइंड में ये सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी आ जाते हैं. एंड मेनी ऑफ द पीपल हैव बीन कमिटिंग सुसाइड. एंड आई होप यू ऑल आर अवेयर, 10th September is observed as anti-suicidal day. That means वर्ल्ड सुसाइडल डे, जहां पे अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स क्रिएट किए जाते हैं थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. So I'm glad that we are conducting this webinar about suicidal tendency in the month of September. But this is not only for September. It should be, awareness should be spread throughout the year. क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते कोई भी किसी भी महीने, किसी भी दिन, किसी भी घंटे में, किसी भी सेकंड पर ये थॉट उनके माइंड में लेके आए. Now why? So it says that fourth leading cause of death is suicide. Fourth leading cause. So अलग अलग causes होते हैं डेथ के, एक्सीडेंट होता है, एज होता है, ओके, सो अलग अलग causes होते हैं, बट ये जो सुसाइड जो है वो फोर्थ लीडिंग कॉज है, स्पेशली बिटवीन द एज 15 to 29 ग्लोबली. ग्लोबली में जो लोग 15 से 29 इयर्स ओल्ड के हैं, उनमें अगर डेथ का कारण देखें तो फोर्थ पोजीशन में है सुसाइड. ठीक है. देन इंडिया, दे से दैट इन इंडिया स्पेशली 13,044 स्टूडेंट्स ने सुसाइड कर लिया है इन 2022. ओके, और ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ अ डेकेड, दैट मींस 10 सालों में 64% इंक्रीज हुआ है सुसाइड केसेस में, which is very dangerous. Right? Now let us understand the root cause. Before I think about and talk about it, let me ask you something. आप क्या सोचते हो, आपके विचार में, what do you think could be the reason for suicide? Anybody? You can type in, you can unmute and talk. आप क्या सोचते हो? सुसाइड का मेन कॉज क्या हो सकता है? आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू पीपल टू टाइप इन इफ इट इज पॉसिबल, या फिर आप अनम्यूट करके आप बात कर सकते हैं. हाँ जी, एनीबडी, आपके विचार से सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी किस वजह से आते हैं? उदय सर, यू आर देयर, श्री विद्या मैम इज देयर, मेनी पीपल आर देयर. प्लीज जस्ट ड्रॉप इन अ मैसेज कि आप क्या सोचते हो कि सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी क्यों होता है. Now these days online gaming, wonderful sir, thank you very much. Online gaming, yes, that is one of the reason for the new generation, Gen Z जिसको बोलते हैं आजकल, वो एक फैशन में है. ओके, या ऑनलाइन गेमिंग में वो अपना हार बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाते, अपनी फैमिली के पैसे लगा लेते हैं. यस श्री विद्या मैम, गैजेट एडिक्शन, आपने फोन नहीं दिया, सुसाइड, या तो सुसाइड कर ले रहे हैं बच्चे. इवन अडल्ट्स आर गेटिंग एडिक्टेड टू गैजेट्स, फोन्स, राइट. अकेलेपन, यस. सो जो आदमी अपने आप को मनुष्य, मतलब आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट, इट कुड बी मेल और फीमेल, अगर अपने आप में अकेलापन महसूस करते हैं तो वहां पे भी दैट आल्सो माइट ट्रिगर सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी. यस, very nice. So I understand that most of you are aware of the various suicidal tendencies, So let us understand few of the other things what I have brought in front of you. अगर बच्चों में देखें तो एकेडमिक प्रेशर, ओके, प्रेशर मतलब ये कि तुम्हें रैंक लाना है, तुम्हें सबसे अच्छा मार्क लेके आना है, यू हैव टू गेट अ रैंक इन आईआईटी, गेट अ सीट इन आईआईटी, गेट अ सीट इन नीट, ओके, you have to become an engineer, academic pressure. Then mental health. So what we have seen, or I have personally come across in my 21 years of experience, ki those people who are professionally very well settled, those people who are extremely successful, they also are getting these suicidal thoughts. They have money, they have fame, they have everything, but still they are getting suicidal thoughts. What could be the reason? The mental health. If you ask them, why are you thinking like this, उसका रीजन क्या है, what is the reason that you're thinking, you have everything, आपके पास you have money, you have everything, then what is the problem? And you know what they say? I don't know, I don't know why I'm feeling this. So that means there is a serious mental health issue, right? We should not take it very lightly. Then relationship breakdown, bullying and abuse, okay. So आजकल बहुत चल ही रहे हैं, रिलेशनशिप के कोई मायने ही नहीं है, या तो बच्चा घर छोड़ के चले जाता है, या फिर हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ दे गेट डिवोर्स. देयर कुड बी वेरियस रीजन, बट committing suicide, committing suicide for the breaking of the relationship, that is really sad. ओके, बुलिंग ऐसा भी हुआ है, बच्चे, मैंने खुद आई हैव सीन क्वाइट अ फ्यू केसेस जहां we can see that students who come across bullying, those who have been bullied, they are not able to stand that teasing, though it has been legally not allowed, but still people are bullying. The problem is not only with the bullying, the problem is with the person who is being getting bullied, क्योंकि वो उसको पता नहीं है कि उसको हैंडल कैसे करना है, बुलिंग को हैंडल कैसे करना है. दे थिंक दैट सुसाइड इज द ओनली वे आई कैन सेव माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम बुलिंग. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल हैव टेल. देन अब्यूज, अब्यूज लाइक किसी ने मारा किसी को, किसी ने वर्बली अब्यूज किया, फिजिकली अब्यूज किया. दे थिंक ओके, हाउ, व्हाट राइट ही हैज टू पुट रेज हिज हैंड ऑन मी, उसको क्या राइट्स है कि वो मुझे मारे, उसको क्या राइट्स है कि वो मुझे गाली दे, वो नहीं दे सकता मुझे, और मैं ये नहीं सह सकती. ऐसे थॉट्स, दीज थॉट्स गेट इनटू द माइंड एंड पीपल कमिट सुसाइड, राइट? आई नो इट साउंड्स सिली, बट these are the reasons people are doing this. Then social and family expectation. We have seen many cases where couple come that they don't have children, right? And specifically the female get affected here because the female has been continuously tortured that you are not capable of reproducing. आप बच्चा नहीं पैदा कर पा रहे, तो इसीलिए तुम सोसाइटी में तुम कहीं पे मुंह दिखाने नहीं लायक हो. तो ऐसी बातें बोल बोल कर उनको टॉर्चर करते हैं, और उस टॉर्चर को नहीं सह पाते हैं एंड दे कमिट सुसाइड, राइट? Then lack of coping mechanism. Now the main reason why people commit suicide, because they don't have how to cope up with those thoughts. जैसे उनको थॉट आती है माइंड में, उससे कैसे कोप करें, उससे बाहर कैसे आए, how should I come out of this, how can I lead a better life? They don't have these coping mechanisms. So that could be the reason that they commit suicide. So though these are the major root causes, but still this is what is happening, that is social media. Very rightly विद्या मैम ने बोला, और कुछ लोगों ने भी बोला कि गैजेट एडिक्शन, फोन एडिक्शन, राइट? सो सोशल मीडिया, इंस्टाग्राम, ओके, इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी गुड, उसको उन चीजों को यूज करना जरूरी है, बट देयर शुड बी अ राइट वे ऑफ यूजिंग इट. बट इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलोअर्स कम हो गए, सुसाइड कर लिया. इंस्टाग्राम ने किसी ने गलत कमेंट किया, सुसाइड कर लिया. ठीक है, फेसबुक ने किसी का किसी ने किसी को फोटो के ऊपर गलत कमेंट कर दिया, या फिर उनके अकाउंट हैक हो गए, उनके फॉलोअर्स कम हो गए. सो देयर आर पीपल हु आर कमिटिंग सुसाइड. And if you don't give them the gadget, if you're not allowing them to participate in these social media, they are not able to control themselves. So I have seen quite a few cases, including well successful people, those who are highly professional. उन लोगों में भी उन लोगों में भी ऐसे थॉट्स आते रहते हैं. Then, so basically, what is happening in this thought process, I would consider that as the inner storm, sorry. जो अंदर का जो आंधी है ना, अंदर की आंधी, और जो तूफान जो अंदर ही अंदर उठता रहता है, उस तूफान को जब तक हम कम नहीं करेंगे, जब तक हम शांत नहीं करेंगे, तब तक ये जो दिमाग है वो अपना चलता रहेगा. उसकी वजह से अजीब गरीब थॉट्स आते हैं, उसी की वजह से दे विल कमिट सुसाइड. So the inner storm. So what is happening in inner storm? They think that I am not, I'm not valuable. There's nobody who values me, and I'm not successful. See, my friends are successful, but I am not successful. मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे प्रेशराइज करते हैं मुझे मार्क्स लाने के लिए. मेरे बॉस मुझे प्रेशराइज करते हैं that I need to make this presentation within 2 days or 3 days. Okay? Family pressure, multiple pressure. So these thought process keep on happening within the individual. ठीक है, जिसको हम inner storm बोलते हैं. Then finally what happens? If you are not able to come out of it, if you are not able to handle those emotions, most of the people, they will commit suicide. Right? Okay. So this I think I have already told you. Now suicide prevention. So किस तरह इन suicide को हम prevent कर सकते हैं? So before I talk about suicide prevention, let me ask you a question. Do you think suicide is the only solution for anybody to get rid of the emotions, negative emotions what they have? Or do you think suicide is the only solution to run away from the problems? Yes or no? Yes, I request you all to type yes. Okay, thank you ma'am. रक्षित जी बोल रहे हैं नहीं. Very good. So what can we do? क्या हो सकता है, क्या कर सकते हैं? If we have to come out of those thought process, what should we do? How can we prevent suicide? If I'm feeling lonely, if I'm feeling that I'm unsuccessful, if I'm feeling that I'm not fit to be in your family, if I'm feeling that I'm not able to reproduce, if I'm feeling that I'm not good enough in front of people, and if I'm getting a thought in my mind that I don't deserve to live, अगर वो थॉट मेरे माइंड में आता है कि मुझे जीने का हक नहीं है क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. Yes, so what can I do? Yes, Miss Monica, that's so wonderful of you that you have raised your hand. Yes.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm very happy for this topic today. That's why I decided to participate, because exactly yesterday I gave this workshop about the thoughts and how we can manage our thoughts. It was exactly about this. I'm a mental health coach. Now, for sure, to answer your question, for the person committing suicide, yes, that is the unique solution they see. For them, yes, it is the unique solution they see. If they do it, it's because they see as an only solution.
Yes.
What we can do for them is for sure to support them to get help. Now, that is something very problematic in India, because the social pressure will be there. I lived for 8.5 years in India. Mental health is not an issue that is accepted. I worked with many of my students in the college when I was teaching in the college and coaching students for mental health in Bangalore. And that was the real problem. The real problem that of why these persons usually, now I'm talking about young people, because I was also very, very emotional because yesterday in Italy, very young student committed suicide because of the bullying.
Bullying.
But at the same time, what is happening in India is what I felt from my experience when I was working with students is that the parents, they really don't get them. Now, I know it's very complicated for all of us, okay? It's very complicated for all of us to hear the truth. But
Yes.
the truth is, when a young person has problems, the parents should go in therapy, not those people. The parents should go in therapy. If I would have a kid with serious problems of depression and suicidal crisis, because suicidal is also a way of showing your complete denial to society. So you will not commit suicidal from today to tomorrow. You will leave a lot of signs. You will tell many times to people, hello, I'm not okay. Hello, I'm not good. Hey, is there someone listening to me? I'm not okay. I'm not good.
Absolutely.
But what is happening that most of the time in the families, and this is not only in India, in Italy also is happening, as we saw yesterday.
See, Monica, I want to put a point here. So it's not only India; it is all over the world. It is all
Yes.
over the world, and it is not only among students. I'm also
Completely.
dealing with students. I teach college students, but I have come across. I'm a counselor. I'm a hypnotherapist as well.
Yes.
I have come
Yes.
across many, I would say, professionals who are committing this, who have these thoughts. So I totally agree with you
Yes.
that it doesn't happen in 1 or 2 days, right? There are
Yes.
certain signs and symptoms which we need to understand. So as a signs and
Absolutely.
symptoms, I need to use dual language, Monica. I hope you don't mind, because we have people from all background. So I'll be using Hindi and English for the explanation.
Yes.
राइट तो ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ इंडिया में भारत में ऐसा चल रहा है इट इज द होल वर्ल्ड इज फेसिंग दिस इशू and it is not only students, there are professionals, there are ladies, there are males, everybody is having, are involved, are being part of it. And yes, as Monica rightly said, ऐसा नहीं है कि suddenly हमने कदम उठाया, it doesn't happen suddenly. It takes time for them to build that, right?
Yes.
And it needs
Yes.
lot of guts to think that, lot of guts.
Yes.
And if that energy, that fearlessness, that if it is directed, अगर उसको हम सही ढंग से डायरेक्ट करेंगे in a positive way, they will do amazingly well. Yes. And now, Monica, as you said, that we need to talk to the parents, right? But my suggestion
Also we need to talk to the parents, but as parents, I really think that there is an issue there. We take mental health as problem, and when we take things as problems, then we tend to fix them. There is nothing to fix in a person. And also, when you want to fix a person that already is very emotional troubled, you will have the contrary effect on that person. So the first thing to do when in the family we have someone facing mental issues is to consider them totally normal and to understand that mental health is not absolutely a disease.
Yes. See,
Because
that's
it's
what
a
I want to
problem.
propose here, that it is not a problem, it is a normal thought process. And again,
Exactly.
we should not
No,
tell the
it's a
person,
distorted
normal
thought process.
of course it is distorted, but we cannot tell a person who is thinking like that whether he is normal or abnormal. Both the ways it is wrong. आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि you are totally normal. That means that person will be thinking that why is she telling that I am normal? Okay, you have to treat them normal, but you don't have to tell them you're absolutely normal, because they'll think that, okay, maybe there is something wrong in me, that's why she's trying to console me, telling me that I'm normal. That is one thing. Second thing, definitely you're not going to tell them that you're abnormal, right? That will cause even more problem. So dealing in a right way is very important. Now I'm going to share some of my viewpoint, but before that, let me share a story with you all. Okay, this is not the story, this is a real life incident which had which I have experienced it, not from my end, from my people whom I have seen, whom I have met. This story I had shared recently in another webinar as well. A few years back, like before corona, a parent, I take classes, right? So a parent, um, father, okay, father brought a small boy who was around in fifth grade. The complaint was that he is very naughty in the school, वो school में बहुत नटखट है सबको, he is very abusive and people bully him. He's just in grade 5, okay, and he's not studying, he doesn't concentrate on studies, he doesn't respect anybody, he's totally misbehaving everywhere. So the father brought the child to me, and he said, ma'am, please teach him. Okay, he told me to teach him the subjects like English, Hindi, maths, all that. So I said okay, and started handling him for 2 3 days. I was not able to handle him. Like, why, what is wrong in my teaching, what is happening? Because he was continuously misbehaving, disturbing other children. From school also I started getting complaint. Then after 2 days I said, go call your mother and come. The next day I want to talk to your mother, bring your mother. So he came along with somebody, an old lady, and he said, she's my mother. Okay, so he says he's my amma. Amma means mother in our language. So I was little surprised seeing such an old mother, first of all. Okay, and I asked her, like, are you his mother? She said, no, I am not his mother, I am his grandmother. Then I said, may I speak with with his mother? She said, he doesn't have his mother. She committed suicide when the child was only not even 1 year. Okay. Now the problem is that lady is gone, whoever it was. We don't know what the situation was. But now it is not only the lady who has gone, would have undergone lot of pain and sufferings or whatever. But now this child, okay, from then my total perception has changed toward the child. And this child now, though we started convincing him, counseling him, making him understand what is right, what is not right, but throughout his life he has to keep undergoing this bullying, that they will tease him, definitely you are an orphan, you don't have mother, and he doesn't know how to take it. If there was a mother, definitely the mother will tell what is right, what is not. That bonding can never be fulfilled by anybody, right? So suicide doesn't take one person life, suicide affects so many people in and around. And these thoughts have to put into the brains of each and every person here in this entire world. So committing suicide, that person will go, but what about the other people who are there, who connected with them, right? So still we need to tell them what is the importance of this mental, you can say, emotional feelings or whatever. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes.
Suicide prevention. So what can we do? We have to run some programs, that is mental health awareness programs. Then we can also have something called as peer counseling initiatives, where one within an office, okay, if you have your friends who can really know each other's emotions, they can counsel each other, they can share their issues, they can make them feel better. Then collaborative experts, that means you have to collaborate with experts. So you need to, like, offices, schools and colleges can go and collaborate with psychologists, okay, therapists, mind coaches. then definitely we do have certain helpline which can help us if anybody is feeling any suicidal tendency. There are many contact details, numbers which have been given on website. You people can just pick it up and call. Definitely they are going to help. Now, apart from this, what else can we do? We can do at various levels, we can prevent these issues. Which level? First one, at individual level. So what do you think as an individual, how you can contribute towards society or towards a person who has those tendencies? How can you contribute? Anybody? Just one sentence if you can share. Yes? How can we prevent? Now, first one, building resilience and self-worth. Now, if I am feeling that I want to commit suicide, I need to understand what is the reason why I'm feeling like that. Right? At an individual level, what can I do to save myself? First thing, building resilience. Okay? Self-worth. You need to understand how important you are. Today, I'm going to make you understand how important you are. Right? Then, participating, or so you can say practicing stress management, or participating in stress management courses, or techniques like breathing, journaling, mindfulness. So have you heard about breathing? Breathing really helps in focusing your thought, understanding your thoughts. It slows down your thought process. When our thought process slow down, जब अपने जो सोचने की जो ये होते हैं ना शक्ति, पर डे हम 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts हमारे दिमाग में चलते रहते हैं. If you slow down your breathing, deep breathing if you follow, you will be able to slow down your thought process. When you slow down your thought process, आप अपने thoughts को understand कर सकते हो कि अच्छा, this thought is right and this thought is not good for me. I should delete this thought, or I should remove this thought from my mind. Journaling. Whenever you feel sad, whenever you feel that you're not able to take anything, then start writing it on paper and check, क्या ये सही है? Does it really worth of me being worried? Okay, so whatever you are worried about, just write everything and then check one by one. Okay, is it worth of being so much worried about? Okay, then practicing mindfulness. Okay, so that is a kind of meditation where you sit and relax and get into deep trance and understand the beauty of life, essence of life. Then never ever you'll get this thought. So these things we can do at our individual level. If at all I'm not able to help myself, then I should go and seek help from people. मुझे बाहर, अगर मैं खुद की मदद नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, तो मुझे बाहर जाकर काउंसलर से मदद मांगना है, और किसी भरोसेमंद व्यक्ति से मदद मांगनी है, और किसी हेल्पलाइन को कॉल करनी है. That is about how we can do, what can say, prevent, you can say, suicidal thoughts at individual level. अपने लेवल पे हम वो थॉट्स आते हैं तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें हमें करनी चाहिए. इसके अलावा भी if you have any other techniques, nowadays we have laughing club, right? So laughter, so हंसना, it is very important for your health. At individual level also it is very important. And whenever you smile, right, you spread an aura around you, you spread a particular frequency which will be attracting others also, or you will spread that happiness around you also, right? Now, at family level or community level, what can we do? As Monica rightly said, we need to talk to the family. The family should talk to the person who has that kind of thought process. Now, family will get to know कि it is not a one day process or one day thing that a person is feeling like committing suicide. एक दिन में नहीं होता है, कुछ दिनों से, कुछ महीनों से the person will be giving some hint. There will be some or the other hint. Okay, like what? If you ask me hint, you will see that that person who has these tendencies will isolate them. They will isolate themselves from the others. अपने आप को अलग कर लेंगे, अपने आप को एक बंद कमरे में रख लेंगे, अपने आप में चुप्पी साध देंगे, वो किसी से बात नहीं करेंगे. They will not go and attend social gathering. They will not go to any wedding functions, birthday parties, no outing. So these are the signs where we should be aware. And as a family, as a community, we should be able to help that person. Go and listen to them. You don't have to go and ask them. You don't have to ask them like what has happened. You can just tell, do you want to share something with me? Okay, instead of asking, do you have any problem, do you have any issue? Okay, इससे बेहतर कि आप ये पूछें कि क्या तुम्हें कोई समस्या है, क्या तुम्हें कोई परेशानी है. तो ये ना पूछकर अगर ये पूछे, क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हो, कुछ बांटना चाहते हो, do you want to share something? That will help to build the conversation, that will help you to understand the other person, and that will help you to guide the person in a right way. Now, whenever you listen to the person, जब भी उस person को आप सुन रहे होंगे, you will not be judgmental. So whenever you're listening to a person who is sharing some problems or issues with you, never say yes, what you have done is right or what you have done is wrong. Don't be judgmental, just listen to them. Okay, then encouraging positive peer support. This happens in community level. When you're in within a community, you have friends, so encourage your friends to spread happiness, to support each other. If a person is coming and telling that I have this issue, आप ये मत बोलना कि I also have this issue. You know what? This happens most of the time. 99% of the time when a person comes, especially this happens when husbands talk to other husbands and wives talk to other wives. When husband comes and says that, you know what, my wife does this always to me, the other person will also say that, yes, you know what, she does even more than this. And wives also say, मेरे पति ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. तो दूसरी वाइफ ये बोलेगी कि हाँ मेरे पति तो वो भी ऐसे ही है. Okay, so don't add fuel to the fire. Just listen. If somebody is coming seeking help, just listen and help them in the right direction, right? So encouraging positive peer support. So support them in a positive way. Don't add fuel in their fire, right? Then at institutional level, like at college level and school level, what could be done? So mental health programs should be done, should be conducted, should be organized. Counselors should be appointed. Yes. Then they have to check if everything is fine in the working place. जहाँ आप काम कर रहे हो वहाँ सब कुछ ठीक है क्या? हर इंस्टीट्यूशन, हर स्कूल, हर कॉलेज को ये करना जरूरी है, ये देखना जरूरी है क्या बच्चे सही पढ़ रहे हैं. Is everything fine with the children? It is not only about studies. Are they mentally, emotionally stable? We have been talking about IQ. Now later the word became very trending, that was EQ, emotional intelligence, or emotional quotient, sorry. EI, emotional intelligence, right? Why are we talking about all this? Because if इमोशनल लेवल में अगर हमने एड्रेस नहीं किया इश्यूज को, दैट विल लीड टू एंड ऑफ लाइफ. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई prevention is better than cure, people say. We have been listening to this from our childhood, है ना? So institution level पे ये जरूरी है. It is necessary that every child is taken care. For that they need to appoint a counselor. The teachers should be trained how to understand the emotional feelings of the children. I keep listening to many problems from the student side, right? And they say that it is not only at home, it happens in the school also. So one particular example I want to share here. अभी recently मैंने अपने students से बात कर रही थी. I was asking them that what is that issue what they are facing in the school or even the college. They say, ma'am, it is not about the studies. It is about the way we are treated. So we need to understand that students also have their self-respect. Even in office, the way we treat somebody matters a lot. It should not demean their self-respect, right? So we should give that perfect environment for proper emotional development, mental development, right? So building a life-saving mindset. So how can we build a life-saving mindset? Okay. So we have to tell them, those who are undergoing any mental issues or you can say suicidal tendencies, or even in general in any office or any school or college, what can we do? We can tell them, we can train them. Whenever you have any issues, you should come and ask for help. Asking for help is not that you're no, you're scared of something. It is not that you are a weak person. Asking for help means you are a strong person. You want help to make yourself better, right? So asking for help is the strength and not weakness, right? And also, we need to make them understand when you come and ask for help, तुम अकेले वो नहीं हो कि तुम अगर मुझसे हेल्प मांग रहे हो या फिर किसी काउंसलर से हेल्प मांग, यू आर नॉट द ओनली वन. There are many people who are undergoing all these issues. They have so many doubts. So you're not the only one. You are among the same group of people, right? Everyone at some or the other point, we would have had this thought in our mind: Am I good enough? Kya, whatever I'm doing, is it good? Is it right? Will those people talk bad about me? So we keep thinking how people judge about us, right? When these thoughts become extreme, then that may lead to these kind of very difficult situations, that is committing suicide. So we have to build this life-saving mindset in each and every person, not only in children, even in adults. But if we are able to inculcate in among children, then they will become better adults. Let me tell you that. Then, very important, my life has value. We have to tell them that every living thing on this earth has been created for a purpose. अगर इस भूमि में कोई भी living thing आया है, उसका मतलब उसका एक कारण है ना. Without कारण nobody comes, right? Without reason nobody is born here. And yes, my life has value, your life has value, your life has value. And nobody has any right to end that life. If you have that much guts to end your life, show your guts in being successful person, achieving something, right? So that people will remember you, because everyone has to go. Everyone has to go one day. So why don't you go as a great personality, not like a timid, not like a coward, right? Yes. So that's from my end for today. I would request you, we will have a short, not a meditation, we'll have an activity. If you all can just close your eyes and take a deep breath in. If you're driving, you can avoid, but still you can listen. Others, if you're at home or in office, if you have time, please do this. You will really enjoy, you will know your value. Close your eyes. And if you can keep your cameras on, that would be great. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Once again, take a deep breath in and exhale. Calm down. Relax your mind from your head till toe. I'll be counting from 1 to 5 and you will be able to relax your whole body. जैसे जैसे मैं 1 to 5 काउंट करूंगी, you will be able to relax your whole body. You can yawn if you want to yawn. That is a sign of relaxation. If you feel like yawning, you can yawn. 1, take a deep breath in and relax. Release. Your head and shoulders are totally relaxed. Feel the relaxation. Allow them to relax. Allow your body to relax. 2. अपने पूरे बॉडी को रिलैक्स होने दीजिए. Relax. Totally relax. Your mind is totally relaxed. Allow it to relax. You want to relax. 3. Relax. Your whole body is relaxing. You want to relax your whole body. Your chest, your back. Relax those muscles. Your hands, your fingers, your stomach, your back. 4. Relax. Totally relax. Your hip, your thighs, your knees, till your toe. You're completely feeling relaxed. You want to feel relaxed. And when I say 5, you'll be completely relaxed. And 5. Now imagine you are standing in front of you. You are there in front of you. See yourself. अपने आप को देखो. See yourself standing in front of you. Look at your face. Look into the eyes. Observe करो. Observe. Say sorry. If at all I have not given you importance, I am sorry. Tell sorry to yourself. And you are listening to yourself. I am sorry. I have not given importance to you at times. I am sorry. I have not asked you whether you want or not. I am sorry. I have imposed many things on you. मैंने जबरदस्ती तुमसे कई काम करवाए. मुझे माफ कर दो. I am sorry. I didn't realize your true potential. मैंने तुम्हारे अंदर की जो ताकत है उसको नहीं पहचाना. I am sorry. I am sorry. I have always kept others ahead of you. I am sorry. I didn't trust you. मैंने तुझ पे भरोसा नहीं किया. मुझे माफ कर दो. I am sorry. I have not given you the best. मैंने तुम्हें बेस्ट नहीं दिया तुम्हें. You deserve to have the best. I am sorry. I have hurt you many times. मैंने कई बार तुझे दुख पहुंचाया. मुझे माफ कर दो. Feel that sorry within yourself. Look at yourself and say sorry for whatever you've done to yourself. Hug yourself. Hug yourself. And say, I love you. I will take care of you. You are the best for me. I love you. I pay my gratitude. मैं तुझे धन्यवाद देती हूँ या देता हूँ. That you have always been supportive. Always. Thank you very much. I love you. Yes. You can all open your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for the best presentation about the situations in the life, how we prepare our mind, and then the end of anything not should be suicide. At that time, how we prepare ourselves to fight that situation with a very nice manner you have explained. So I request all the participants, if you want to discuss with our resource person madam on today's topic, you can unmute yourself and you can discuss, please.
Yes, please. You are open for question. अगर आपको कोई प्रश्न पूछना है. Thank you, Paul Munaji. Thank you, Dr. Uday, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, Dr. Prashant ji. If you have any question, I'll be happy to discuss and I'll be happy to learn from you all.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, sir.
Many congratulations for this kind of subject taking.
Thank
But
you, sir.
or yesterday we were listening the with Monica madam.
Yes.
बड़ा गंभीर विषय था,
हाँ सर.
लेकिन आपने वो रिलैक्सेशन की प्रैक्टिस करवा के उसको थोड़ा रिलैक्स कर दिया.
हाँ.
लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा एक सवाल आता है
हाँ
कि
सर.
मेरा मतलब आपका प्रेजेंटेशन वेरी नाइस है, आपकी कंटेस्ट ने अच्छा बहुत अच्छा किया और आपने जो आपका जो फील्ड होगा, आपका अनुभव क्षेत्र जो है उसके माध्यम से आपने यहाँ पे किया है और
Yes.
मैं आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी करता हूँ कि आपने ये बात कही कि जो 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 आपका जो सब्जेक्ट है वो जो इशू है वो यूनिवर्सल है, इज नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू इंडिया, रिलेटेड टू यूनिवर्सल इशू है.
Yes.
अब मेरा क्वेश्चन इसलिए कि मैं बहुत बार सोचता हूँ, मैं हमेशा सोचने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि हम लोग प्राणियों से नहीं सीखते. ये जो इश्यू है सब्जेक्ट ये ह्यूमन बीइंग से रिलेटेड, कोई प्राणी के बारे में हमने ऐसा नहीं सोचा, कभी क्यों नहीं हुआ. उनके पास में वो क्या है जो उनके पास जो इनर पावर है, वो बड़े दिलदार होते या स्ट्रगल करते हैं. हमारे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होता. एक चीज जो मुझे जो समझ में आता है, मैं अपनी बात को रख रहा हूँ.
हाँ सर.
मैं मुझे आपसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना, मैं अपनी बात को रखना चाहता हूँ. ये भी प्लेटफॉर्म है. जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये ह्यूमन बीइंग रिलेटेड ज्यादा है क्योंकि वो कंसर्न ऐसा है, कोई प्राणी नहीं करते ऐसा, उनसे हम नहीं सीखते. और भी चीज मुझे नजर आती है वो कि आपने पूछा था कि प्रिवेंशन के क्या क्या मार्ग हो सकते हैं.
हाँ सर.
हमने ये भी देखा कि हम अपनी वी डू नॉट हैव ए रिच लाइब्रेरी ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. बड़ी ह्यूज लाइब्रेरी होनी चाहिए फ्रेंड्स की, रिसोर्सेज की. और साथ साथ में हमको शुरू से स्कूल लाइफ से ही हमको सॉल्यूशन इंजीनियर बनाना चाहिए.
Absolutely.
सॉल्यूशन इंजीनियर बनाते हैं और सॉल्यूशन इंजीनियर ऐसा नहीं, उनको बच्चों को ये प्रॉब्लम है, इज इट रियल प्रॉब्लम, अगर प्रॉब्लम है तो क्यों है, अगर बच्चों को समझ में ये प्रॉब्लम है तो प्रॉब्लम ही सॉल्यूशन निकालता है, और वो हमको अल्टरनेटिव्स होनी चाहिए उसकी।
Yes, yes.
ये सॉल्यूशन, ये प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए क्या अल्टरनेटिव हो सकते हैं, एज मेनी एज, है ना, जो कहावत है ना, एक रास्ता बनो तो दूसरे खुल जाते हैं। तो वो जो कैपेसिटीज है वो हम में ही नहीं होती, लेकिन प्राणियों में होती है यार। प्राणियों में अल्टरनेटिव बहुत सारी चीजें है।
सर प्राणियों में एक है कि हम जितना चीजों को अपने ऊपर ले लेते हैं ना, कि उसने मुझे ऐसा क्यों कहा,
तो वही कहा ना, पीयर प्रेशर, मैं वही बात कर रहा हूँ, प्रेशर।
एब्सोल्युटली सही है।
वो प्रेशर,
हाँ जी। तो
तो
जो आपने जो कहा, that is absolutely 100% I agree. Yes sir, you want to say something? Continue sir.
हाँ, मैं थोड़ा सा कंटिन्यू करना चाहता हूँ।
हाँ जी sir.
वो जो प्रेशर है, वो प्रेशर चाइल्डहुड से, होम से बिल्डअप होता।
Yes.
चाइल्डहुड होम से बिल्डअप होता। वो प्रेशर हम कम प्रेशर कैसे दें फैमिली में, कम प्रेशर स्कूल में कैसे पैदा करें। हमने कंपटीशन है, पर उसको हेल्दी कंपटीशन कैसी रखे, है ना।
Yes.
फ्रेंड्स है तो वो पॉजिटिव वाले फ्रेंड्स कैसे है, उन्हें आई टॉक अबाउट द ह्यूज लाइब्रेरी ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, है ना। और वो रास्ते सिखाए बच्चों को, जो पर्याय खोजे, ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ये, है ना। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, हर प्राणी हमेशा खुश नजर आता है। हमने तो खुश देखे, हम लोग नजर नहीं आते। जैसे ही हमारी नीड्स बढ़ जाती है, प्रेशर आ जाता है, मुस्कान चली जाती है। फिर ये आपने रिलैक्सेशन करवाया, हमें तो शुरू में देखा, अरे यार ये तो क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन आपने करवा दिया उसको। ये सारी जो प्रैक्टिसेस है, हमें स्कूल लाइफ बच्चों को नहीं मिलती है, और वो जाके फिर वो प्रेशर डेवलप होता है ना, प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होते हैं। ये एक प्रॉब्लम से नहीं होता, मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स इकट्ठा होते हैं, और कोई स्कूल रिलेटेड बात नहीं है, वो तो वो उसने कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया है, और वो उसको परिस्थितियां भी बड़ी मजबूर करती है, परिस्थितियां। पर ये एम नहीं है, लेकिन एम नहीं है, लेकिन वी शुड एक्सेप्ट फॉर दैट। सुसाइड इज नॉट एंड, यू शुड हैव, हाँ वो नहीं है, मतलब अगर वो चाहते प्रॉब्लम को खत्म करने के लिए ये एंड है, नो, प्रॉब्लम को खत्म करने के लिए यू हैव शुड एक्सप्लोर अनदर अल्टरनेटिव। हाँ, वो मेरी बात को इस तरह से रखना चाहता हूँ कि मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि नया कुछ रास्ता निकलता है क्या।
Definitely sir, अगर we know that according to science, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction also. अगर कुछ है तो उसका कोई कारण भी होगा, right? If you are having an opposite action, that means there could be some opposite of that. That means plus का opposite minus, minus का opposite plus होता है. If you are thinking negatively, you should convert that into positive things. Because जितना भी हम पॉजिटिव बोले, बहुत सारे बच्चे दे थिंक ओके, अगर स्पेशली पेरेंट्स की तो बात सुनना ही नहीं चाहते वो लोग, बिकॉज द एज इज लाइक दैट, द हार्मोनल इश्यूज आर लाइक दैट। सो वी नीड टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड, अगर घर में भी अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट देना सर, एज यू सेड राइटली, कि घर से शुरू होती है, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बट बच्चों को प्रेशर को किस तरह हैंडल करना है, आई थिंक वी हैव टू टीच देम दैट आल्सो। व्हाट डू यू से? It is not only about that you have to give good environment, of course, but when they go in the world, they cannot expect the parents to be there throughout, right? They should be able to handle the pressure in the right way.
Therefore, a skill to solve the problem. If you train them right from childhood, a skill to solve the problem, this will help. और जहां तक ये आज का जो कंसर्न इश्यूज है, वो बड़ा ब्रॉड है मैडम, है ना।
Yes, sir.
हम उसकी क्या वो सोच नहीं सकते, क्योंकि जो इम्पैक्ट बाद में जो होता है वो बड़ा, उसका कोई नुकसान भर नहीं सकते, उसको हम रियम्बर्स नहीं कर सकते। तो ये जो चीजें होनी है, उसको वो जो प्रेशर डेवलप हो रहा, वो प्रेशर कम करने के लिए राइट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग ही से सोचना चाहिए। वो चाहे सोसाइटी हो, या वो ऊपर के लेवल हो, या इंस्टीट्यूशन लेवल के हो, या फिर स्कूल लेवल के हो, या अपने दोस्तों के लेवल को, या फिर होम लेवल पे हो, तो वो
थैंक यू रमतकर सर। एक मैसेज है। Thank you Ramatkar sir, Dr. Monica madam. You have very nicely discussed with our resource person. There is a message in the message box. आदरणीय, जो व्यक्ति समस्याओं से ग्रस्त है उसको मौलिक जीवन की ओर कैसे ले जा सकता है, हमारे जयवीर सिंह जी ने पूछा है, क्या आप उसका आंसर देंगे?
सर मौलिक जीवन का एक बार बता देंगे मुझे? मौलिक, बाकी सब तो मैं समझ गई। मौलिक जीवन
सिंह जी,
हाँ सर,
अपने लाइफ का मौलिक जीवन किसे आप समझते हैं, वो अगर आप बोल दिए तो
मैडम मौलिकता जो होती है, जो नेचुरल रहता है, जो अधिकार हमें मिले हुए हैं, जो एक जीव जो जीते हैं वो मौलिक जीते हैं। इंसान तो मौलिकता छोड़ चुका है, क्योंकि वो
सर इसको इस तरह से कह सकते हैं, सहज जीवन। मौलिकता हम आप तात्पर्य ले सकते हैं मैम, सहजता से हम कैसे जिए। क्योंकि आज जो सोसाइटिकल केस हो रहे हैं उसका कारण यही है कि आदमी सहज नहीं है, बनावटीपन जी रहा है, बनावटी खा रहा है। तो वो उस संदर्भ में पूछ रहे हैं, जैसा मैं समझ पा रही हूँ।
वेरी गुड, नाइस क्वेश्चन सर, एंड थैंक यू मैम फॉर एक्सप्लेनिंग दैट। सर एक बात मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हैव अ सहज लाइफ नाउ। इस एनवायरनमेंट में हम जो जी रहे हैं ना, एक सिंपल लाइफ जीना बहुत मुश्किल है सर। You will definitely face some or the other issues at any instance of life. ठीक है, हम सहज जीवन कैसे हम जी सकते हैं? अपने आप में we have to live within ourselves, have a peaceful life within us. हम हमेशा दूसरों के लिए जी रहे हैं ना, हम खुद के लिए जीना शुरू कर दे। खुद अगर हम अपने आप को साफ रखें, अंदर तन मन से साफ रखें, मन से, not having any negative thoughts, you will see that you will have a simple beautiful life and people around you will also change looking at you. For example, अगर कोई मीटिंग है और आप जाते हो बड़े स्माइल करके, एकदम खुशी खुशी जाते हो, you will change the entire scenario, पूरा ऑरा बदल जाता है, right? How? Because you have changed yourself, you have brought that smile on your face. So सहज जिंदगी जीना है तो बस अंदर ही अंदर जीना है और धीरे धीरे वो दूसरों में परिवर्तन ला सकता है। बट अदरवाइज इस सोसाइटी में इफ यू थिंक दैट आई वांट टू लीड अ सिंपल लाइफ इन दिस सोसाइटी, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज पॉसिबल एज ऑफ नाउ, क्योंकि सोसाइटी बदल चुकी है सर, एंड चेंज इज द नेचर, राइट? बदलाव तो होना ही होना है, दैट इज व्हाट इज नेचर। सर आई होप मैंने आपका जवाब दिया। अगर इफ यू हैव एनी अदर पॉइंट प्लीज।
I wanted to say something. Now, I wanted to. I'm reading a lot about the last discoveries in the research in the mental health, and there is a revolutionary discovery made by neuroscientists in these years, which states that when it comes to mental health and to issues like suicide or whatever kind of very chronic pain and suffering, it is not enough to tell people. And as we can tell people who want to commit suicide till 100 years, we will have no success with them, because we cannot deal with suicidal by rational mind. There is nothing like this. The unique thing we can do for if we have around people facing huge troubles is to hug them, to tell them how much we love them, to tell them how much we see them, to work with their emotions. Because what the neuroscientists have proven is that the emotional level has a much higher amplitude in a person's psyche than the words and the rational mind. So that is why it's not working, because I know many cases when they come to me, parents, and I told him so much. I'm telling him every day that he needs to should do the right thing like this and blah and blah. And he's not hearing me. He cannot hear you. She cannot hear you. Because what a person with huge troubles needs is not your words, not your advices, not your shoulds. What they need is your hug, your appreciation, your love, your affection, your accepting him or her exactly as he or she is. This is what a person needs. And what society trained us to do, the society trained us, to all of us, to do the teachers. When a person comes to us, we are not able to listen. We are completely, we need to give the advice. There is no advice that will change some person, because a person cannot change from other person experience, only from his or her own experience of life.
Okay,
So
I think one point, Monica, here. See, it is not only about, because I understand what you said, that they need hug, they need love. But let me tell you, there are many parents, who really love their children, who show all the affection, but still people have committed suicide. The reason is,
they didn't show. If they told you they show affection and they committed suicide.
We have a case recently. I don't know if you've seen the newspaper. There was a lady who got married, okay, and she loves her parents so much that she had been troubled for dowry, for example, okay, and she loves her parents so much that she doesn't want to trouble them, ask them for that, whatever they have to pay for, that is dowry, and she committed suicide. So that doesn't mean the parent don't love their.
Yes, of course they love, but they are unable to express it. No. They love her, but they are unable to express that love for her. They were unable to create a healthy environment where she could feel safe to express this for them. This is not love. This is not love. I'm sorry, this is not love. I mean, we are taking love as something very superficial like this. Love means I am able to create a safe space for you where you can express who you are and what your needs are. This is love. Love is not that you fear me and you commit suicide because you don't want to disturb me. It means me as a parent, I completely failed.
Yes.
It means me as a parent, I was not able to provide a safe space where you can express who you are and what are your needs of life. Yes, they failed. Yes, they failed.
They failed, definitely.
Her parents failed.
Most of the cases. But see, we Indians know, especially I'm talking about when it comes to the bonding between parents and children, we, of course, even you people, we give the best to the children. The best, whatever possible, more than their capacity. Parents give to their children more than their capacity, whatever they ask for. Now, what happens? The children, they develop this kind of a mindset that I don't want to hurt my parents. I don't want to hurt.
What does it mean? What does it mean in material terms? So what does it mean they give the best to their children? What does it mean?
Not only material things. I'm talking about emotionally also. They respect the parents so much, they love the parents so much that they don't want the parents. Suppose in the college.
Yes, but I don't understand. What does it mean a parent gives the best? For me, a parent gives the best means me as a child of my parents, I feel so safe that I can tell them everything. I can fail in front of them. I can be vulnerable and they will accept me exactly as I am. This means giving the best. For me, giving the best doesn't mean that they give me gold and rings of gold and houses and cars, and that's why they commit suicide. Hello? Hello?
Am I audible?
Yes, now you are audible. Yes.
Yeah, see, I totally agree with whatever you say. But there are multiple. So there are multiple situations which we need to consider.
Completely.
To
It is
consider all
only
the
it's a
situations.
conversation
We cannot
between us,
just
but
blame. Yeah, absolutely. We cannot just blame one side. We have to look into the matter thoroughly, investigate thoroughly, understand where is that loophole which we need to, complete it, which we need to correct it. For that, I think both the sides counseling is necessary. Parents should be counseled. Even in schools should have programs to counsel the parents. Okay, schools and colleges should have programs to counsel the parents,
Completely.
not only the students. If we make
Completely.
at the childhood itself, if we make the individuals strong enough to take proper decision, I think at adulthood they will never commit suicide. So that is my experience with the students and the officials, professionals with whom I have worked. So thank you for your points, Monica. It was wonderful.
Thank you so much for this wonderful session, and especially for the exercise was wonderful.
Thank
Excellent.
you. Thank you. Robbie ji, I think you have been raising your hand from past few minutes.
जी मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। मैम, मेरे साथ जो ट्रॉमा हुआ है, मैं बचपन से अपनी माँ को देखा। आज का जो विषय आपका है, क्योंकि बहुत ही बेहतरीन विषय आपने उठाया है, रखा है, और आज के समय में हम देखते हैं। मेरा जो प्रश्न है या जिज्ञासा, आप जो भी समझें, क्योंकि सारा कुछ जानने के बाद मैं इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंची हूँ कि जो व्यक्ति इस स्टेज पर आ रहा है, जैसा कि हमने द सुसाइड नाम से पुस्तक दुर्खीम की पढ़ी है, सोशियोलॉजी में जब आप जाएंगे देखेंगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं उसके पीछे समाज सबसे अहम हिस्सा होता है। परिवार को ही हम नहीं कह सकते कि परिवार ने परवरिश नहीं की, माँ बाप ने ध्यान नहीं दिया जी। उसके बाद सबसे बड़ी चुनौती यह है कि जो व्यक्ति इस राह पे, उसको मेंटली उसकी जो दिक्कतें हैं उनका समाधान, क्योंकि हमारा जो समाज है, अगर भारतीय समाज की बात करें, तो वहाँ मेंटल हेल्थ को कोई इशू नहीं माना जाता। समझ रहे मैम? तो आज जितने लोग हम इस मंच पे जुड़े हुए हैं, हम कहीं ना कहीं आज चाहे इतनी अच्छी जगहों पे बैठे हुए, हम खुद काउंसलिंग कर सकते हैं लोगों की। मैंने बहुत इग्नू में मैं एकेडमिक काउंसलर हूँ मैम। मैं पढ़ाने से ज्यादा बच्चों की काउंसलिंग करती हूँ। उन्हें पता नहीं है करना क्या है, जाना कहाँ है, और इस दबाव और फ्रस्ट्रेशन में वो उस तरफ आते आते, मतलब मैंने देखा कई बच्चों को, और उनको सही समय पे सही गाइडेंस मुहैया कराना हमारी नैतिक और सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी है। तो मैम, ये सबसे बड़ा जो समस्या है वो यह है कि ऐसी स्टेज पर सही समय पे काउंसलिंग मिलना। वो जैसा आज अपने सर जो ये सेमिनार चला रहे हैं, उनका मैं हृदय से आभार करना चाहूंगी कि आप बहुत बेहतरीन विषय और इतना निःशुल्क उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं कि, और यही चीज आगे जाए, बच्चों में जाए, बच्चे भी हमारे जुड़े तो और बेहतरीन होगा। धन्यवाद मैम आज के सेशन के लिए। सर आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप इसको इतने बेहतरीन तरीके से चला रहे हैं, और मैं भी इसी विषय पे आगे आपसे जुड़ूंगी, तैयार कर लूँ। आज सुनने के बाद मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। आप सभी को, मंच पे जितने भी लोग मौजूद हैं, बहुत बहुत आभार, और कोशिश करें कि हम इसको सामाजिक रूप से इम्प्लीमेंट करें। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। धन्यवाद
मैडम।
सर, I want to add a point here. I just want to add a point कि अगर किसी को कहीं पे भी, if you want me to be a part of anything like this, कि सुसाइड के बारे में बच्चों से बात करना है, स्टूडेंट से बात करना है, या फिर किसी से भी बात करना है, तो आई विल डू इट फॉर फ्री। बिकॉज एज आई सेड, ये मेरा मिशन है कि मैं जितने सारे लोगों को मैं मदद कर पाऊँ, तो आई वांट टू डू इट। और अगर कोई मुझसे जुड़ना चाहता है तो आई विल बी रियली हैप्पी। Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining and accepting our invitation. In future also, you will be invited, and you can join here as a resource on various topics which we have prepared. Also, I am thankful to all participants, including Dr. Monica, madam, who was the yesterday's resource person, Dr. Our Ramatkar sir, and all those who are participating here. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.